Hi, and welcome to our 14th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ, and I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and so much more. So let's begin. What we're going to do today is we are going to look at the option called Redo. Okay? What Redo is from the Excel book is to reapply the last edit that you removed with Undo. So let me show you an example of what that looks like. Okay. So let's say, for whatever reason, in January, we want to change the spelling. Okay, and we want to take out this A. Okay, right here in your toolbar on the top left are two arrows. If you point at them, the one says undo typing, the other one says can't redo. Okay, so let's say we're going to undo typing and put that A back. And then we decide for whatever reason we don't want that A in there after all. If you click on this redo typing, the arrow that goes to the right, and click on it, see it'll change what we just did. That is what is called redo. Now, just to reiterate, as I have so many times in the past, always do a Control S, which is going to save your changes. This is very important. If you have a power failure or whatever happens to your computer, it will only save up until your last Control S. So I can't repeat that enough to make sure that you don't lose any of your work. Okay? So that's what Redo is. Okay, there's many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Again, this is podcast number 14. You've probably already seen 1 through 13, and we're probably going to shoot this up to podcast 100 or more. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to the knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about the Excel program. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from the basic introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.